Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate a 35% discount using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357. You want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 35% discount. Here's how to do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, which is $1,357, into your calculator. Then we want to press multiply, and we want to multiply by 65. Now, you may be wondering, why do we multiply by 65? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 35% discount means you are paying 35% less than the original price. So, if you take 35% away from 100%, you are left with 65%. In other words, paying 65% of the original price means you are saving 35%. So, by multiplying the original price by 65 and then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating a 65% off the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So, finally, let's press that percentage button on our calculator and voila, the final amount after 35% off is $882.05. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine you have an item priced at $2,450. Let's press the multiply button. Then let's multiply it by 65. Press the percentage button. So after that 35% off, the final price comes out to be $1,592.50. Quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it folks, a fast and easy way to calculate a 35% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.